Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Is the name change confusing anybody? You know, just we started out as All Seasons, and you know, I just thought we'd have a lot more fun with the Hillbilly RV channel. So thanks for the positive feedback when I posted that video announcing that I was thinking about making that change, and I got so much positive response back that I just went and did it. So good, bad, or indifferent, that's what I did. and just I'm hoping that we can have some fun with it. We had another big event happen this morning. What was that, Cameron?
Reached 2,000 subscribers.
2,000 subscribers? Holy cow, I never thought we'd get 2,000 subscribers. I mean, when I started this channel a year and a half ago, I was just happy to get one. And now here it is, just a little over a year and a half later, and thanks to you guys out there, we have 2,000 subscribers. So to mark this momentous occasion, we're going to have a live stream this Friday night. It'll be March 19th at 9 p.m. Eastern, and so I hope you get to stop by and visit us. If you have any questions that you would like for us to answer on the air, please leave them in the comments on this video, and we will do that. And I want to thank our patrons for helping us out financially. That's awesome. That money will go right straight back into the channel. I'm looking at some better equipment, audio, video, and especially lights. I want to do some better lights. So so thank you for that. And you got anything else, Cameron?
Yes, actually I do.
Oh, look here, he's got words.
Well, you guys didn't reach 40 on the live stream last week.
Oh.
Or last time. So you didn't see the cow yet.
Oh, don't. It's just a special guest.
The special guest, my bad.
Or no, we think we did say cow, didn't we?
So that's our challenge to you. You got to get 40 to see the special guest.
40. Okay, let's have 40 people stop by and visit us at the live stream this Friday night at 9 p.m. Eastern. So we're going to go do some work, and y'all have a fantastic day. Yeah, I like that one. Cut. Ain't that how they do it in Hollywood? Holy crap. No. Testing. Oh, okay, so. You got anything else, Cameron?
Nope.
He's out of words again. Boy runs out of words constantly. I don't know where he's using them. He ain't using them around me, but he's using them somewhere because he can't keep them up. He can't keep up with them. I think that's all we wanted to say.